Good morning, everyone. This is a day or more located here in southern Alabama for brush hogging in the dirty south. Today's task is to reopen up this drain ditch here where I'm standing. If you look behind me, you'll see there's a covered pipe coming underneath the roadway. And after I had the dozer working all done over here, this ditch got plugged up. So anyway, what we're planning on doing today is getting this ditch open back up where we can get the drain re-established going down through here, so it won't create any problems in the future. So with that being said, I'm not going to be doing the work myself, but I got a cousin that has a tractor with a backhoe on it, and he's going to be doing the work for me. So he should be arriving over here fairly shortly, and we'll get this video going. Until then, we'll be standing by and waiting on it. We'll get back with you just shortly. I got another ditch over here I'm gonna let you take a look at, and we'll get back with you. Okay, and we're back. Here's that other ditch that I was telling you guys about on one of the previous videos that I made. I actually come over here and clean this one out by hand with a shovel. But anyway, it's still not as deep as I would like for it to be. So anyway, I'm gonna have him to go over here and have him to dig this ditch out a little bit deeper. So anyway, I'm gonna go around here and where this covered is, give you guys a better look at it, what I'm talking about. This is the other side of that ditch right here. We're going to use around a little bit further over here about where that covered is. Let you look at it a little bit more. And as you can see right there, there's the cover. And this is where the ditch is supposed to be. It's still a fairly deep hole going through there, but we're gonna get it clean on out all the way to that other end there. And at the same time, we're gonna get this underbrush right here cleaned out also. So anyway, we just standing by and waiting on him to show up. So until then, we're gonna go ahead and shut this video off right now, and we'll get back with you whenever he get over here and set up and start working.